Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we are learning space vocabulary.
Yes, words like planet, moon, rocket, satellite, gravity, and astronaut.
Space sounds huge, but the words can be simple.
Exactly. We do not need to fly to Mars to use these words.
A planet is a big round world that moves around a star.
Earth is our planet, and it comes with free gravity.
Yes, gravity keeps us on the ground.
Without gravity, my coffee would float away before Monday morning.
An orbit is the path something follows around a planet or star.
The moon orbits Earth, and Earth orbits the sun.
A moon is a natural object that moves around a planet.
Some planets have many moons, like they are collecting space pets.
A rocket is a powerful vehicle that travels into space.
It goes up with fire, noise, and a lot of confidence.
A satellite is an object that moves around Earth or another planet.
Some satellites help with phones, maps, weather, and television.
So when my map works, I should thank a satellite.
Exactly. Somewhere in space, a metal box is helping you find the bakery.
An astronaut is a person trained to travel and work in space.
Astronauts need courage, science skills, and probably very calm hair.
A mission is an important space trip or job.
A mission might study the moon, launch a satellite, or test new technology.
We also hear words like galaxy, comet, asteroid, and universe.
A galaxy is a huge group of stars, and our galaxy is called the Milky Way.
A comet is like a dirty snowball flying through space.
That is not a very romantic description, but it is easy to remember.
An asteroid is a rocky object that moves around the sun.
Small asteroids sounds cute, but I still do not want one in my backyard.
The universe means everything in space.
That includes stars, planets, galaxies, and my tiny shopping list.
Space vocabulary is useful for news, movies, science videos, and everyday chats.
Yes, you can say, the rocket launched today, or the moon looks bright tonight.
The key is to say the words clearly and use them in simple sentences.
I get that, because big topics become easier with small sentences.
Now, let's move into shadowing practice.
Listen, speak out loud, and let these space words feel natural.
The moon looks very bright tonight.
Earth is the planet we live on.
The rocket launched into space.
A satellite helps us use maps and phones.
Gravity keeps our feet on the ground.
The astronaut trained for a difficult mission.
The moon orbits around Earth.
Earth orbits around the sun.
A galaxy has billions of stars.
The universe is bigger than we can imagine.
A comet can look like a bright tail in the sky.
An asteroid is a rocky object in space.
The space mission was a great success.
Scientists study planets, stars, and moons.
I enjoy learning simple space vocabulary.
Great work today!
You practiced useful words about space.
Do not try to memorize everything at once.
Just listen again and speak the lines out loud.
Repetition makes the words feel easier.
Small practice can take your English very far.
Keep going, one sentence at a time.
See you in the next lesson.